Well, it's a pretty horrible day today. Forecast rain constantly, all day long. Brilliant for us plants that are outside. What few we've got at the moment. The good news is, if you look over my shoulder, you'll notice that the last greenhouse is now gone. And sad as that might be, it's something that we had to do. We can't put a greenhouse next to a caravan. It won't look right, would it? So there's quite a bit of cleaning up to do before we go, which is only in a couple of days. And this weather's not helping with that at all. We have got one thing left to do before we finally go, and that's one last harvest from here. We've got lots and lots of salads growing, and the more you cut them, the more they come back. So, as the last harvest in this particular location is going to be those salad bowls today. And then if it stops raining, maybe we can get a little bit of work done. We've got plenty to do inside as well. Obviously quite a bit of packing that needs doing, getting everything prepared for that move, which is going to be quite early in the morning as well. So we need to be on our toes over the next couple of days. So let's go and cut us then a nice fresh bowl of homegrown salad. You can see that garden looks so strange now, with no greenhouses at all on it. And that fence just randomly sat in the middle of the garden because it was attached to that greenhouse that's been took down and taken away yesterday. So not much or anything to see except a couple of days of tidying. But what we're interested in today is this. The salads that we're doing. I actually left some cherry tomatoes outside as well last night, and they don't seem to have suffered. But look at this salad bowl. It looks amazing. We've got even more spinach that's grown back as well. Another big full container of salad there. Beautiful. And another. So it's definitely time for a bit of an harvest today. So we'll make this quick, because it is raining quite a bit at the moment. I don't want to cut it too far back because I need it to grow back more. I'm taking these containers with us. Once again, big leaves. Leave the little ones to grow on. That stuff always amazes me. I'm going to leave that one to grow on. And we'll take a cutting from this one. It's getting quite big. It's amazing how much fresh homegrown salad you can get from these little containers. Well worth doing. And we'll get some of this amazing stuff. If anybody wants to grow this, it's called mixed French salad. If you can find seeds anywhere, I'm sure you'll be able to. So a nice big chunk off top of that. Really nice crunchy lettuce. We'll leave that one as well. And we'll chuck in a bit of spinach today as well. Just keeps growing back the more we cut it. I think by the time we get where we're going, this will have all grown back again, which is brilliant. Baby leaf spinach, can't fault it. And we'll let that grow on as well. And then onto his big caravan wash ball, what we used last year as well. There's some nice cuttings from this coloured stuff. That is amazing looking lettuce. We're definitely growing some more of this. I think for today, that'll do. So, as one thing comes to an end, another adventure will be starting. And look at all that amazing salad that we've just cut. 3 very small containers, just left outside on a bench in garden. We cut it, it comes back, we cut it again. And we'll probably get 4 cuttings from each container, if not more. It seems to be growing really well, and this weather is doing nothing more than helping that process. So, an amazing last harvest of salad from this garden, and pretty soon we'll be in Lincolnshire setting up that brand new caravan container garden. And just before I go, thank you so much to his latest donators. Everybody has been so generous over the last couple of weeks, it's unbelievable, but massively appreciated. There's a list of the latest donators. And thank you so much for sticking with us through this move. We'll see you soon. Take care.